Yo. We on? Are we on? We're good, we're good. Yo, how's it going, everyone? Great to see you all. How's everyone's weekend been? Let me get this chat up on YouTube. Yo, Jamie, Damien, Lee, how's it going? Carl's in the house, how's it going? Tuck, T, Cos is here. Great to see you all, guys. Andy, how's it going, man? Yeah, cheers. Yo, how's it going, Jacko? Yeah, good to see you all, everyone. This is the current setup for now. I mean, I am gonna move it. You're not gonna see a water tank forever. Don't worry. It's just temporary for today's stream. Will you check your TikTok after the chart? Drop your DM. Yeah, man. Sure. Let me have a look. Yo, Ashton, good to see you, man. Kyle, Paul, Damien. Not used too early, Joe. Oh yeah, nah. Yeah, I'll get back to that. Ty, I've just seen it now, bro. I'll get back to it today. All right, Matt. Does your prop firm accept Kosovo? Dorian, I really don't know, mate. It's not my prop firm. I just use them. Go and use them. Yo, Ron, good to see you, bro. Go and have a look on the FYP. On the FAQ, sorry. I was in on gold and it was trailing stop loss. Oh yeah, man. I mean, gold. If we look at gold here, I'm actually going to be looking for some gold buys personally, especially if this hourly can close bullish. I do like, to be honest with you, I was going to take these buys here, but I was setting up stream and I just couldn't take them, unfortunately. I was literally going to execute them buys on that breakout, but I'm still 0 trades for 0. Show us the view. Unfortunately, I can't. Nah, I can't unplug my DJI from my thingy. This camera here that you're watching from. Yeah, go and have a look at my TikTok story, bro. I put a thingy on what the view of my villa. Been on the chart much today? Yeah, we traded the London session in the mentorship. Didn't really see much. And then the only trade that I like today is this buy here. Maybe some sells here too. But I didn't take these. I was actually out at this time. I will get my phone fixed. I cracked the screen on my phone, so I traded London session, did some one-to-ones. After the one-to-ones, went and got my phone fixed. And now, yeah, I'm back. But I mean, let's see if the NY is going to do anything. Just hit TP on Nas. Amazing, Jamie. Good trade, man. That was a clean trade. I have order block marked up at 40. Are you serious? Are you serious? Not in a bad way. I mean, if you do trade order blocks, fair play, but I don't trade order blocks. I mean, to be honest, you just learn. Yeah, I don't trade order blocks. I'm about 1 year into trading and nothing seems to be working. You're probably overcomplicating it, to be honest with you, mate. You're probably overcomplicating the charts. You don't really need to overcomplicate it. Most people fail for so long because they're trying to overcomplicate it and like recreate some sort of science out of trading. You don't need to create like it's like they're doing like I don't know. Like if somebody told me to just keep it simple like I do now, I would have been profitable so much quicker. I only started keeping it simple like 3 to 4 years ago, and I've been profitable going on 3 years now. Gold about to hit TP. Yeah, nice. I'm watching these levels here on gold. To be honest with you, the only thing I can personally see on gold is maybe a buy. Maybe a buy on like the 15 if we can break above this level. I've personally missed this breakout here. Maybe see what price does around this level if it pushes up that. Yeah, exactly. As humans, we like to overcomplicate stuff, yeah. Let me just alter this range a little bit on Nasdaq. Perfect. Caught the Nas buy, but put wrong order in. Had to cancel small loss. Yeah, all good, man. Cancel it and redo it. So yeah, I think main thing right now. Main thing right now is just waiting for a breakout or a rejection from this level, to be honest with you. We've got a decent level of support and resistance here. So if price can break out, we can look for the buys. If we reject, we can look for the sells. All right. Give me 30 seconds. One sec, guys. Hourly is clean. If you move your range up. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't really want to move my range to fit a trade, if that makes sense. It's probably the worst thing that you can do. Like, at the end of the day, this is the rate. Like, to be honest with you, if I was being honest on gold, if I was being honest on gold, I'd prefer just to see some structure form after this push higher. Can you see this push we've had? I'd prefer it to actually create some levels and create some range and then trade that new range. I actually prefer how Nasdaq created the support and resistance. If you look at the 30 here, we've created some resistance and some support and resistance to the downside. So I actually prefer Nasdaq as it's created that recent resistance that's after the push. Gold still hasn't done that yet. I mean, we've had this push higher and we're sort of in the middle of this, if that makes sense. Okay. Does that make sense? So you can see like gold had this push up and we've not really created structure since that push. We sort of need to wait for that price action to form. You know, if you want to really keep it simple to the plan, realistically on gold, you need to wait for a range. Sells look better on gold. Where are you looking to sell from, bro? I don't see any sells whatsoever on gold. The only time I'd even look for sells is if we broke back below here. Yeah, gold needs to either create structure or have a serious breakout of these levels. To be honest with you, I actually like having this water tank here, this water thing, because I can just get water whenever I want. Look. Before I had to get up and go. That's what happens when you know. Brand new to Shred C, but can't see the symbol. Chris, go and have a look at my YouTube video, bro. I break it all down there. Is that not... What do you mean, Ashton? I mean, that? It's a big... That's obviously fine. I mean, out of the tap, it's a problem, but that's absolutely fine to drink, bro. Do you ever take any trades live? Yes, mate, all the time. We literally took a trade live on Friday, and we smashed TP. I don't know if let me try and find that trade we took on Friday. Where was it? It was on the 5, weren't it? Let me find it. It was here. We took the buys on the break of that high, didn't we? That was the trade. Literally, look, bang. TP smashed. I think it around there. It was either that break. Yeah, I think it was either that breakout or that breakout there. One or the other. But yeah, I mean, if you go back to the live on Friday, we crushed TP. I made like $1,450 or something. Oh, it's good, Pedro, bro. It's very good, man. Loving it. It's just like the only problem is with Asia or trading in Asia is that it's 6 hours ahead of the UK. So like, that's the only problem. That's why I like sort of Dubai and Georgia time, because it's only like 3 hours. Like 3 to 4 hours is like the sweet spot for me. When you start like thank you. How's the new crib in Thailand? Yeah, it is, man. It's perfect. It's so nice. Do I have a free Telegram channel? I do. I'll put it in the YouTube, guys. Head over to the YouTube and I'll put it in the chat in the YouTube. I can't do it in the I can't do it on TikTok, unfortunately. Telegram. So if you go over to Joe Trades, I'm live on YouTube there as well. Let me just tell you what the name is here, Joe Trades. The free Telegram is in the chat now. I've just posted it. Joe Trades, TP smashed, yeah. For detail, yeah, Toby, nice one. Man's back working in an office on his lunch break. Nice. How to get residency in? I'm not a resident in Dubai, to be honest with you, man. Yeah, I'm not. So yeah, I don't know that information. Obviously, there'll be people who can help you with that, but I'm not the guy. Probably Chat GPT is better than me. To be honest, he's probably better than anyone. Lunch break trading. Yeah, I used to do lunch break trading all the time. I used to do lunch break mid work when I could get away with using my phone trading all day. I mean, yeah, it is a must. I mean, I used to just do it as much. That's why I always used to get like sort of like not told off, but you know what I mean. Like I used to get told to stop going on my phone because I were always trading. Had one of your yeah, guys. Make sure you're following me on here. Make sure you're following me on this TikTok because this is my only TikTok account. All right. Nightmare employee, yes, definitely. One of my friends was actually the manager, luckily. But yeah, I mean, I probably would have been let go if I didn't sort of have friends there. Yeah, I wasn't. Yeah, 9 to 5 just wasn't for me whatsoever. I was definitely a nightmare employee. But it's right. It's not for everybody, I guess. Yo, Dre, good to see you, man. Nah, it's not me. Literally, my only TikTok is the one that I'm live on here. So if you follow this TikTok, you're not going to get random. And I won't message you first. I will never message you first. Yo, Dre, good to see you, man. That's what I'm doing. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. No deal, Ty. No deal. Who do you think you are, my girlfriend? No way. I'm alright. Hey, chill, yeah, chill out, man. New angle, yeah. We got a new setup, a new background. We're just in a different place, to be honest with you. We're just in a different place. Hey, I got really wow. Yeah, so basically, this is the range for now, guys. I'm just gonna see how price reacts from here. Something I'm really interested in, to be honest with you, is this double top up here. So I think if this 15 can find some support, I'm gonna try buys from around here. If we can sort of find some support from this level at 29,214, I kind of like buys, but we'll have to wait for the candle closes. Do you think it's going to go up or down? Hendo, nobody knows. Nobody knows, mate. What you want to see and what actually happens are two different things, mate. So just react to small reactions in the market. You don't need to catch the next big move. If you're too focused on, oh, is price going to go up and down? I don't care about that. All I care about is catching a little move on what the market tells me. I used to be that guy. I used to be that guy who was like, oh, if we can catch this trade now from here and price has to go into here, stop loss can go down like so. Bro, no, it really doesn't work. You're too busy trying to predict the next big move. Instead of that, I'd let the market have candle closures now, wait for breakouts, and trade into targets on little reactions. I need 50, 60 ticks at a time, not 600 to 700. Yeah, I was working a 9 to 5 3 years ago. Just 3 years ago, I was working a 9 to 5. I literally left my 9 to 5 3 years ago. It's crazy, yeah, but yeah. I've been profitable ever since I left. Well, I was profitable before I quit, to be honest with you, but even when I left, I've been profitable, yeah. Yeah, so basically with me, I was trading since I was like 18. So I've been trading 8 years. I failed for like 3 years. And I got profitable, and only after like a year and a half of actually, proving myself. So it wasn't, guys, when I first started getting payouts, it wasn't like, 10 to 15K every single, it weren't like 10 to 15K every month like it is now. It was like maybe one payout a month or 1 to 2 payouts a month. And I could live comfortably traveling, doing that. So for me, like, I just did that for like a year and a half. Only then did I start trading live. So I sort of like, I'm not like one of them guys who isn't profitable and starts selling something. No, I proved myself. I proved it to myself. I made money. I traveled. I lived absolutely fine. And then I started trading live because, people wanted to learn from me. With a 50K challenge account, how much oh, I can't see that. You say it's better to trade. Yeah, I trade a 50K, mate. A 50K challenge account. I'm about 30 minutes away, but I'm not going to say exactly where I'm from, bro. I live about 30 minutes away, Ty. I mean, there's like, how many people? There's like over 250 people tuning in. So now just take a trade, no overdraw. Yeah, I've been only trading for like, um, I've been living off trading for like 3 years now, mate. Yeah. Is every month like 6, 7, 8K profit? No. I mean, every month's different. Some months you're gonna have to sort of like, you're gonna make like 3 to 4K. Then you're gonna have months that are like 12, 13K, which the last few months have been. Or not last month, the month before. Can't expect to make the same amount every time. New World Choice, I have zero idea what that is. Sounds pretty awful, if you ask me. So yeah, I'm not even gonna ask what it is. I'm not too bothered, to be honest. Yeah, it sounds pretty yeah. I don't even know what. Can I ask how to spot? Yeah, coconut. To be honest with you, I go over fake outs sometimes on here. I go through fake outs sometimes on here, but yeah, I've got like a full course video, like a 30-minute course video on fake outs. It's hard to explain everything about fake outs just on a live because I don't want to spend like talking about it for 20 to 30 minutes. But yeah, I mean, I do go more into detail into that. And yeah, there's plenty of stuff on YouTube as well. Can you tell me exactly where the market is going for the next 6 months? No, because I can't. Yeah, I hope that's like I hope that's a joke. Yo, Manny, good to see you, man. I'm not Joseph, yeah, I'm fake. These guys who are out there like, oh, I know what the market's gonna do for the next 6 to 12 months. Like, no, you don't. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. My ego's not big. My ego's not big. I don't care about that, to be honest. Yo, how's it going? Good to see you, Zulu, bro. Okay, so I mean, I think buys look good here. I think we're actually gonna go and push higher on Nasdaq, but I don't want to. So I probably have to wait for this breakout now because we didn't really close bullish. Yeah, we didn't really close bullish. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Make sure you're following this account, guys. Yeah, catch you in a bit. Yeah, I'll reply to you after this, bro, as soon as I can. Yeah, guys, if you want to apply for the mentorship, there is one more spot for the you too, Ty man. Good to see you, bro. There is one spot currently for the one-to-one mentorship if you do wanna get on it. There was two, now there's one. Yeah, recently two, now one. One has yeah. Yo, Sean, good to see you, man. James, you too. Good to see you, bro. Yeah, application is in the link in the TikTok bio, mate. Head over to the TikTok bio. The link's there to apply for the mentorship. What website? This is TradingView, bro. Yeah, this is TradingView. Bear with me, guys. Let me just log into something. Bear with me. So when there's a breakout, so I trade in the direction of the breakout normally. Sometimes I trade within the range, but I need to see some sort of liquidation before I can take that. Yeah, guys, give me 30 seconds and I'll break something down. I just need to log into that so I can get this perfect. Right, we're back. You need different. Yeah, I've checked into a new place, bro. I've checked into a new place. What do I think? Bullish or bearish? It depends, really. I mean, if we close below this range, we could see a sell-off. We could see a sell-off. I think I'd want to close below this 30 level here, to be honest with you. I mean, yeah, let's have a look at gold. You know, we're sort of like gold. Yeah, gold's still within this range. Gold needs time to develop some structure. You know, you can see we're starting to slow down around here. Could we have a range soon? Potentially, but we need to create some structure. Maybe I could take a sell off this resistance that's been formed, but we'll see. Let's see. Nice man. In the villa now? Yeah, we're in the villa now. Yeah. Yeah. I'm in here for like the next 15 days and then I've got nowhere to live. I either extend or move, and I'm probably gonna move to go to, I don't know, somewhere like Bangkok for a week or two, maybe like somewhere near around Bangkok. Mm-mm. Yeah, I'm home. We're homeless. We're homeless. That's funny. Mm-mm. Yo, guys on YouTube, drop a thumbs up on the live, guys. We've got 60 people tuning in. Let's smash 30, 40 likes. Come on. Watching on TikTok, chatting on YouTube. Good to see you, Martin, Matt. Do I have brothers or sisters? No, I've got a brother, but he doesn't travel with me. No, I travel solo or with my girlfriend, depending if she wants to come or not. Like I'm solo now. I'm solo for the next like 2 to 3 weeks. I mean, let's see how this 15 close is. If this 15 close is bearish, I might take some sells here. We've got some good liquidity to take out below here on Nasdaq. So if we can close bearish, I might try a risky sell down because at the end of the day, there is a lot of structure here. Okay, there's a lot of structure here. My missus would never allow it. Why? No trust. Do I use any indicators or signals? Nah. Yeah, Ron's been around already. Yeah, Ron's been around. What about XAU? I'm not really interested in gold, man. I want gold to sort of create. To be honest with you, I prefer selling Nasdaq. I might try a little risky sell here for very low micros, maybe just on an evaluation, but we'll see. Because we sort of rejected this level of resistance, taking a little bit of liquidity. We could sell off into this double bottom here. So we could kind of have a sell off there, but we'll have to wait. Tucker, that's exactly why I'm here. Nah, I'm only joking. It's just a coincidence that the thing. To be honest with you, I wanted to move this table a little bit more, but I couldn't be bothered, to be honest with you. And it's dark outside, so you're not really getting much outside action. You're not really getting much outside action. Okay, I'm gonna try some sells potentially on Nasdaq or gold, closure dependent. Okay. I mean, we are coming into more structure here. You need to keep that in mind. We've got more levels here. Could get a little bit tough. Would it be a half risk on NAS? It depends how it closes, mate. If it closes below the level, I mean, it's full risk, but I'm probably just going to take it on an eval. I might take it very low risk on the funded accounts, to be honest with you. I do need to get my trade see up though, because I've got my, one sec. Ah, all right, we're up here. Wait, I need 1,200 for a 6K payout. We can't let it slip. We can't let it slip. $1,200 and I'll be able to take a 6K payout. That'd be decent. Famous last words. Next week, accounts blown. What's gold saying? Potential sells. I'm actually going to try some sells on gold, I think. Nasdaq's coming into this level. What risk do I do? Like 4 to 5 micros. I've had these accounts. I've got one direct on its own and 3 linked direct accounts. I've had the 3 linked ones for just over a week and we're $1,800 up times 3. So you need to get to 3K. The win rate 72%. 72% win rate, two risk to reward. So I don't just hit one-to-ones, guys. Don't hit on one-to-ones anyway. One-to-one's fine, but I'm at 2.02 here and we've got $1,800 profit times 3. And then I've got another direct that's like $500 up or something. So on these 3, if I get another 1.2K, I'll have 6K to request. I think it's 6K. So I'm probably just going to, I'll probably just take them slow over the next like week or 2. All right, let's see. What's Goldie doing? Yeah, I think if gold can close bearish here, I might try some sells. Big level of rejection here. Bearish engulfing. The next candle should push down. And that's all I really need is that little rejection from here into them lows. Done for the day. You know, you only need like one of them a day. DXY is going up though. Makes absolutely no difference to my entries, Matt. Absolutely no entries. Fair value gap retest. To be honest with you, I don't know why people look at DXY or other assets when the like, guys, I'm trading gold. Trade what gold shows you. Trade what Nasdaq shows you. Valid or invalid. Why would I see a valid trade on gold and not take it because the DXY is invalid? It makes absolutely 0 sense. It's just analysis paralysis. Just trade your profitable strategy and trade what's in front of you. How much more do I take on a 50K account? I don't know, Dorian, man. Ouch, sorry. Yeah, bro, I'm giving you some good info, man. I'm not it's just giving you some good info. Because I used to be that guy who was like, oh, let's look at the DXY and then let's have a look at 15 other pairs. And it's like, why would I not take a trade on gold? Because it's heavily weighted. I understand that. Okay. But it's either valid or invalid. Yeah, I'll probably look for some sells from like here. Stop loss wherever the wick is formed. And I'm just going to look for that double bottom to get taken. We've got a decent double bottom down here. A lot of liquidity. I think anyone buying is going to have stop losses down here. Daily has already been bearish. So let's see if that can continue down. 4 hourly is looking like a bit of a wick rejection. But I mean, to be honest with you, this will be a 15-minute entry. We could close bearish on that. So all I can do is wait for this 15 to close and then take a half risk sell off that. Yo, guys on YouTube, make sure you subscribed as well. Go and subscribe to the YouTube, guys, if you're not already. Joe Trades. We're en route to 5K followers. Oh, subscribers, sorry. That'd be sick. Once we hit 5K, it'll be cool. Is Nasdaq still pushing? Nasdaq's coming into that level we were on about. Big level here. Big level. Look at that level. Like multiple support taps. Multiple support. Yeah, if gold can top wick here, I'm gonna try a sell, to be honest. Just low risk on a low risk on an eval, to be honest. I need a little top wick. If it leaves a wick on this candle, even better. What's my bias on gold? I don't trade with a bias. Do not trade with a bias. Best thing I ever did was move away from trading with a bias. Gold is bullish continuation. Doesn't mean it can't pull back. All I need is that little move down. Even though gold is bullish continuation, is there anything stopping it from pushing down 50, 60 ticks, me taking profit, and then it pushing higher? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So yeah, if we can get a top wick here, I'm going to be looking for some gold sells. I want to see a top wick and then a reflip bearish down into this level. So if we can get like a little 20, 30 tick top wick, I can get like a little 1 to 2. 1 to 2 risk to reward on here. All right. All I need to see is that little top wick form and then push reflip bearish so I can get my stop in. Stop order can go there and then I can just look to TP a little bit lower. All right. So I need to get onto GC. Bruh, Dovey, what you wait, what you Britain? What's broad Britain? What's it? He's gonna say don't sell gold or something. 380. Just TP down there. Sweet. Yeah, it's only an eval trade. I'm not trading this on the fundeds. Yeah, I'm not trading this on the fundeds, guys. It's not the cleanest entry, but it's valid. That's what I have. Nice, man. Yeah, that's the thing. We've got a little bit of we've got a bit of a level here as well. That's why I'm just sort of like taking this on an evaluation, mate. It's just based off this rejection here. If it rejects and takes stop loss, I mean, it's $380 loss on an evaluation. It's not deep. I don't really want to execute this on a. I don't really want to execute this on my funded accounts just because it's not the best. It's not the best trading into a clear level like this. But I think I think there's enough sort of volume to the downside on that last 15 to get some sort of reaction into like maybe a level here. So I think it might be enough of a closure to continue pushing down. Got it on trading view, yeah, just so I can execute it with everybody, so everyone can see the trade. No, I'm not in it, guys. You can see it's clearly a sell stop. I use sell stops because it's better for momentum trades. If you're a momentum trader, and you're not using sell stops, if you look through your journal, you could probably cut 80% of your fake out losses using sell stop orders. I did that. No, this is gold. No, I'm not in this trade until it flips bearish, man. Can you see? Sell stop. That's an order. It's not active. Yo, cheers to the follow. Yeah, guys on TikTok, make sure you're following up this account. This is my only real account, okay? I see so many people saying, oh, somebody messaged me under your name. It's not me. I really don't have time to sit here DMing people. Yeah, guys, I'm canceling this order. No trade there. There's no trade. Dovey, why did you market execute? That is exactly why I don't market execute. That's exactly why I wait for orders, top wicks and flips. Exactly that reason. You need to learn that, mate. It's a big one. It's a big one if you're trading momentum. Yeah, me too. I just cancelled my order. I mean, it wasn't a bad trade. I think maybe if the 30 can break out now, we can look for them buys. We'll see. 15 breakout buys look decent. We'll see. That's exactly why I use orders though, because anybody who's instantly executing down here, well, they've taken a big stop loss. I've personally just put my order in once it created the top wick, and look, I've prevented the loss. So if you're getting faked out all the time, look at orders. Yeah, Sean, I wouldn't have taken that on a funded account. Evaluation, just because I didn't like how it came into this level here. Nas playing out, is it? Yeah, I'm not selling into a level, bro. It can play out, but I'm not selling into a level. I think there's a good opportunity on gold next 15, to be honest. Next 15 buys on gold look decent. You doing any vlogging whilst in Thailand? I might do like a full day of just what I get up to. To be honest with you, I prefer making trading content, but I might make one whilst I'm here. Why not? Why not? I think it's just too, for me, it's just too guru-y. Like, it's just too guru-y. You know what I mean? See, look at that now. Perfect order. Give us some goals to look forward to. Yeah, I'll make one. Just like a little 10, 15-minute vlog. It'll be decent, yeah. Dun-dun-dun-dun. It's a sweep. I mean, if we break out, I think gold can push much higher. Look at that gap. Look at the 30 as well. Yeah. If we can close bullish above this multiple level of structure here, I'm going to be looking for that bottom wick and buy on gold. I'm going to buy stop loss below the range, and I'm going to look to fill that gap to the upside. Okay. With the Lambo, you can't get Lambos in Thailand. I mean, you can, but they're like... I was speaking to Ron about this. Ron were telling me they're like 3 to 4 times more expensive. Hi, Joe. Great one-to-one this morning. You're a fantastic mentor. Angie, legend. Great to see you. Great to see you. Do I do streaming during Asia? No. Guys, Asia is my relax time. I get only a few hours a day to relax. Like, if I told you my schedule, it would make you tired, me telling you. Put it that way. Asia, when I wake up, my 2 to 3 hours is doing what I need to do. There's no way I would do Asia. I'd probably just get bored of streaming and stuff, and I don't want that. Could you imagine me streaming Asia, doing the live or tuning into the live in the mentorship, doing like 5 one-to-ones, creating content, doing the US live session, doing the group coaching call? Nah, it's impossible. It's just impossible. Like yeah. Yeah, look at that. Look at that momentum coming into the on gold as well. Wow. I mean, let's see how this 15 and 30 closes in 4 minutes. All right. Get some water. There we go. Just right there for me. Look at that. Anybody else got that? Profitable trader. Join my sign up to my broker. You can get this. Go rent a Harley. Do I live? No, I don't live there, man. I don't live here. I'm just here for a couple of weeks. I'm leaving in like 2 to 3 weeks. To be honest with you, I don't rate the times. I don't rate the times. It's beautiful, man. You need to come. You need to come, but I don't rate the times. Like now in Thailand, it's 8:30. 8:30 at night. And after this stream, I need to go and get food. And then after I've got food, I am going to do the trade review inside the mentorship. We've got a trade review and group coaching call, and that's at 11 p.m. my time. So that's like 30, 40 minutes, and that's 5 p.m. UK time. So after that, it's like bedtime and then waking up again. Like for me, the perfect time is Dubai time. Unmatched, unbeatable. Like there's no better time. 3 hours ahead of the UK. I was literally on that for the last 3 months, and it is seriously the best time zone to do everything. Wake up at like 8 o'clock. It's 5 a.m. UK time. Go out, get breakfast, go to the gym, get home. You sit down, and it's like pre-London. You've got like 3 hours before London session. It's literally perfect. You're sleeping? No, I don't sleep when New York opens. New York opens here in at like 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. I go to bed at like 1, 2 in the morning. Where was you on that time? I was in Georgia. Yeah. Yeah, I don't go to bed till like 1 a.m. Dubai time is GMT +3. Yeah. What's going down? I don't know. I'm gonna take some buys in 2 minutes, I think. I'm gonna get ready to take some buys. Let me get on GC. This is an eval. This is an eval, so I'm gonna use like 2 contracts here. I'm gonna use 2 contracts. Get this stop up here. Yeah, guys, if you want to join the mentorship, the link to join, it's pinned on the YouTube, or if you're on the TikTok, it is in the link in the TikTok bio. Okay, just head over to my TikTok. This TikTok is my only TikTok. Head over to my TikTok and then click the link in my bio, and you can apply there. It takes like 45 seconds to a minute to apply. Switch from live to funded. Started with alpha, but it's cheaper holding up build. Yeah, nice, man. How much do I charge for mentorship? It depends what you need, mate. It really depends what you need. Like, obviously, one-to-one. I've got one-to-one, and I've got other offers. It really depends what you want. The best thing to do is go and apply and see if you're see if it's a fit for you, mate. Yeah, see if it's a fit for you. You can. It's free to apply. Yeah, it's free to apply. You just got to go and do it. See if, and then we'll be in touch with you. Mm. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, cheers to the follows on TikTok, guys. We hit 20K last week as well. That's amazing. Okay, so bottom wick, buy stops are gonna go in. Yeah, this is only an evaluation, so I might just put it in a minute. Give it a minute. I'm gonna put this in. Yeah, I'm not trading the funded. Even though we've got a beautiful wick to go and fill, I might put a cheeky 2 micro on there. It's getting it all on. Let me just put this in on the funded here, and then on the instance I can do it separately. Buy 2 stop. Yeah, we got a nice wick to go and fill, to be honest. Right, nice one. Right, I'm in this trade now. Oh, we're almost wick filled already. Right, I'm trailing the stop to the I'm trailing stops to break even on my funded accounts, and I'm letting this baby run on here. I'm actually gonna close one off here because we're up like $500 or something. Right, I've closed one off there. I'm going break even, and we're letting the rest run. Let's go. Beautiful. What's that? 45 ticks, and then we can let the rest run here. W's. And we're gonna close 1 micro there. Sell market. Bang. And yeah. Break even. W's. Nice work, guys. Quick and easy. You lose fundeds? No, man. I don't lose fundeds. I've got plenty of fundeds that I've just taken some trades on. And we're up $160. I mean, W's in the chart. I'm actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to close this full here. Bang. Cheeky $750 there. Nice. And yeah, done. Letting this run on the funded account now. Beautiful. Oh. I haven't been to the gym in like 6 weeks, but yeah, we're flexing. Bro, 4L. I don't think you listen. Please open your ears and please listen to what I say. I'm trading my funded accounts and low risk on my direct accounts that get me payouts. I'm trading evals and funded direct accounts, man. It's a very simple explanation that, you know. All right, yeah, so I'm still in this on the direct. I'm letting it run for like an extra $200 in profit. Come on, guys. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I mean, I actually did close out full there. Good stuff, Ollie, man. Good stuff. Sat in the cold, missed the entry. Oh, it's all good, man. There'll be more. That was just like a quick wick fill, to be honest with you. And if the rest runs, the rest runs. I think I'm going to get break even on the rest of this trade here on the direct. I'm just watching it closely. I'll let you know. Decent trade though, 2 micro. It was a bit risky with how much we pushed, but we sort of managed it pretty much perfectly. 50 yeah, I'm out break even. So $80 times 3, $240 there. $240 there, and on the eval we got 760. So yeah, Nice little wick fill there, 45 ticks. If you're letting the rest run here, nice work, but I'm out. I'm out there. All right. I'm out. Yeah, good work, guys. Good work. Nice 400 times 4. Nice. Haters will say it's AI. Yeah. There's always going to be some haters. I mean, what we can do what like all the gurus do, and we can go on to the 1 minute time frame, and we can look like we've been in this trade for 9 years if you want. We can do that. Tradeify or Lucid? Lucid. Tradeify or Lucid, yeah. Please explain the trade. Trade's done, bro. I execute trades on here. I don't go through them fully. But yeah, we've smashed the TP here. Yeah, I think it's a decent trade to continue higher. I mean, there's fresh liquidity above, and there's a good range to trade. But to be honest with you, I kind of over risked on this eval, and we made $760. You know, so realistically, I'd have had my TP around there for $760 on one contract on the eval. So I'm happy to take it over risking, kind of. And I have to go break even at the wick fill anyway. The fact that it wick filled went break even, that's just unfortunate. It's a part of the game. It's a part of the game. But guys, again, beautiful trade. Get it. Let's have a look who took it. Put it in the chat if you took the trade. Put a W in the chat if you took it, guys. Let me see. Nice work, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Great work. Amazing. Da, 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 da. Yeah, guys, I only closed it on the eval because I need like 600 to pass this one now, so I don't really want to hold it on 2 contracts. It's kind of big ranges, you know. Still, you know, these ranges on gold. Now look at that, 130 ticks into them highs. So I took it like here at the Wickfill. Did 3 contracts in eval. Amazing, amazing. Do you know what, guys? I'm gonna I'll do a breakdown on that as well. Good stuff. Yo, Shockey's in the house. Good to see you, man. I prefer Lucid because they're cheaper. Yeah, they're cheaper and easier. Yeah, guys, if you want to learn the full system, you have to go and apply for the mentorship. It's in the TikTok bio. If you're tuning in on the YouTube, I'll post it here. If you're on TikTok, the link to apply for mentorship is in the TikTok bio. So hit my profile, drop me a follow, and that link is the application form to apply. Simple. The only way to join, you need to apply because not everybody gets on the mentorship. All right. Check my first video I captured. I don't care about catching the whole move, bro. I only need a little. I only need to react to little moves in the market. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go and get some food. To be honest with you, I've got the mentorship group coaching call in like 2 hours, so I'm gonna head off, go and get some food, and we'll try and catch another W tomorrow. Pretty simple there. Angie on the personal account, amazing. Bedtime for Sean, 1.1k on evals, Mayo, amazing. Yeah, I mean, last 2 trades on stream, we've taken 2 wins, but I'm gonna close it there, guys. That's all you need for the day. I mean, we made like $240 on the funded, not bad. Could have been better, but whatever. I'm gonna head out and get some food before the call with the guys in the mentorship. You know, we've been on for an hour, caught a decent trade, one trade, one win for today, starting the week strong. And yeah, peace out, guys. Much love. See you tomorrow. Drop a follow, drop a subscribe, as always. And yeah, have a good one. Simple as that. Bye bye. Yeah, guys, good stuff. YouTube guys, good stuff. Right, TikTok's gone. Yeah, YouTube guys, peace out. Please show some love, like, share, all that good stuff. And like I've just mentioned, then I'll see you tomorrow, guys. All right. Have a good day. Trade safe. Yeah, bye bye.